Hello, miss. Do you need more coffee?
I do.
I think I saw you somewhere before. You look really familiar.
Hi, I am Reesateesa. I am the creator of Who the Fuck Did I Marry series that has been all over TikTok.
Yeah, man. I knew it. I knew you look familiar. So, what brings you to Jamaica?
Dating.
Well, you come to the right place. I think I have the right date just for you.
With three hearts. That's just me letting you know I'm excited.
Yo, bad bro. Short for your boy family. Like you know so we have a date for you. Tell him to hurry up, Zane. Alright, my god. That's a 40 man. Simple maths that. Don't worry. I got you covered.
And thank you.
That man Legion is crazy. I'ma find you a right man. You came to the right place. Jamaica, best.
Yo, brother.
Yo, father. You know say we have a date up your feet. Yeah man, so just sharpen yourself and forward now. Yeah.
Like an aircraft,
It's really a pleasure to meet you.
I am Mr. Cargill. I'm looking for Mrs. Cargill.
Oh my God, I am Reesateesa.
If I get a man like me, you get substance, you get quality.
Yeah.
If you're a good woman, I take you on vacation. I give you shrimp. I give you lobsters. I give you berries. You can use my card. We can go on tour. We take you to car mart. You choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man. Look for me, no man.
Yep.
You let my heart go giddy up. You set my heart on fire.
I'm so excited. It is official. I want to see the Tower of London. I want to see Buckingham Palace. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. I want to see the Palace of Versailles, the Hall of Mirrors. I want to see the Louvre. I want to eat an eclair at a nice French cafe. I want to experience everything.
Never gravitate to me. Why you gravitate to me now? Because of pastor comedy? You can't love me because of money. You have to love me for who I am. You want me now? I have sent from WhatsApp. Whenever WhatsApp me before me become pastor comedy. You know, lookable. When I like that style. Now grab me now. Grab me later, man. I'll go on, man. I'm money you want. You know me and you see me every day. Why you never tell me say you like me for a long time? Why you know you like me?
No one be a thing black, you listen for them a focus. When you see the fat black be my park up. Some clown wey used to call me a mother ask them gruff. Now a fool no betray of man is a drug rubbers duff. Umbrella brains we blow away so stop off and puff. And we never left the iron so we devil talk. I done go representing for the baddest YouTube channel, Emperor State. Them know the quellings go already. Well,